My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called ZENEX. The video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I'll give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data. Well, before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ZENEX ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So it changes the desktop background and also reveals a ransom note. It indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. I urge you not to pay the ransom. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official website. Install the program and then start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner at any time. Also, keep in mind that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt the files. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll also be able to know all their exact locations on your system. Some threats can be removed manually by going to those locations and removing the threats manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and this way your data will always be protected from further ransomware or malware attacks. And finally, speaking regarding file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more detailed information on how to possibly recover at least some of your files that have been damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. Once again, there is no guarantee that your data would be restored, but you can try. You can pay attention to some recommendations which are in the link in the description to that video.